Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Taiwan. This is Mom's Dry Noodle, a new product. Let's check it out. So check it out. What you got here is the Mom's Dry Noodle Beef Noodle Soup. Taiwan has some of the most amazing beef noodle soups in the world. There's tons of restaurants that serve beef noodle soup. It's kind of a traditional Taiwanese dish. Mom's Dry Noodle now has their own restaurants, and yeah, you could get something like this there. What's also cool is they've got my logo on it because they've done really good on the top 10 list. Their stuff is excellent, and they like having my logo on stuff. So, and I'm cool with that. I like being able to go to the store and see my logo on things. So that's rad. Thank you. So yeah, I'll be trying this pretty soon. This looks like something really interesting. Why don't we crack open one of these boxes and actually see what's inside them? Alright, so you get the noodle block, as you can see here. This is a Taiwanese dry noodle. And then it looks like there are, I'm not going to open it all the way up just due to the fact that I'm not going to be reviewing this tonight. But, and then you have some sachet action there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty much everything is in Taiwanese, so I'll have to ask them about cooking instructions and stuff. Rather, everything's in Chinese, I'm sorry. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Mom's Dry Noodle for sending this along. Very cool. And I want to give it a shout out to Uncle. You know who you are, so. Anyways, cool. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.